Do you want to learn video editing? Well, here's 7 best video editing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Video Editing Course by Udemy. In this course you will learn techniques loved by pro broadcast filmmakers. The best thing about this course is that it directs how to learn creative video editing techniques used by professionals. Topics covered in this course are how to capture your audience, working with directors, power up music, storytelling structure and editing techniques, music, sound effects, and narration. Wrap it up. You will learn effective ways to edit videos that entertain and inspire your audience, how to capture audience using creative editing techniques. You will learn to appreciate how important good editing is, how to turn your amateur video into professional ones. You will learn many techniques used over decades in TV production. You will learn about the wrong trend, how to work with film and program directors to form long-lived partnerships. This course is for the ones who want to improve creativity of making videos for YouTubers and the ones who want to become pro in video editing. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Video Editing Masterclass by Udemy. You will get incredible looking and sounding videos with any equipment or software. Topics covered in this course are edit your social media content, edit your hype montage, edit your professional level video, edit your vlog style video, edit your promo video, edit your showcase video, edit your video trailer, edit your music video, edit your demo reel. You will learn the step-by-step process of organizing, editing, and exporting an incredible-looking video, how to optimize your workflow. You will understand the editing process to create videos as efficiently as possible, how to choose the best audio and video filters that fit your personal video style. You will learn to create professional-looking and sounding videos using optimized editing techniques with virtually any footage. You will learn blending of sound effects, background music, voiceovers, and other elements. You will learn to create more engaging content using multicam, color correction, sound design, and much more. How to create a higher production value. You will learn pro-looking and sounding videos that will impress your viewers, audience, or clients. This course is for YouTubers, Instagrammers, TikTokers, videographers, aspiring filmmakers, online content creators, and artists. It's also for the people who want to create incredible videos from home. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Video Editing Complete Course by Udemy. The best thing about this 14 hours course is learning video editing for YouTube and social media of Adobe Premiere Pro. Topics covered in this course are greetings and welcome, material download and guidelines, launch, update and quit Premiere Pro, create a project, workspaces and panels, import media and project panel, sequences, timeline and tools, source and program monitors, trim clips. You will learn the full video editing process. You will learn solid foundations of Adobe Premiere software and its interface. You will know about tools and techniques to trim and adjust the video clips. You will learn ways to stabilize, scale, rotate, animate, and much more. You will learn to add music, sound effects, and mix audio. You will learn color correcting and color grading of your video. You will learn to add captions and subtitles and ways to export video in different ratios and formats. You will learn professional tips and tricks. This course is for beginners, vloggers, YouTubers, and for the ones who are willing to make a career in video editing. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Mastering Video Editing with Final Cut Pro by Udemy. The best thing about this beginner's course is that it is a complete all-in-one course for learning how to edit videos using Final Cut Pro. Topics covered in this course are basic editing, audio, effects, speed and movements, text, green screen, and marketing, color grading, exploring. You will learn the basics of video editing with Final Cut Pro, how to cut, move, and crop videos. You will learn to add B-roll videos, music, sounds, and voiceovers. You will learn to add texts, lower thirds, and subtitles. You will learn ways of color grading of videos. You will use a green screen to create videos. You will learn about exporting videos and improving video editing skills. You will also learn to add translations and effects. This course is for beginner to advanced levels and the ones who are interested in video editing. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Video Editing with Adobe Premiere Pro for Beginners by Skillshare. This course will help you in video editing and optimization. In order to address new features, this course is regularly updated. This course is for beginners, so there's no need for prior knowledge to get started. Topics covered in this course are exporting videos, video timelines, adding audio and music, mixing audio, color grading, creating custom animations, making different templates, custom templates, and graphics, applying and adjusting videos. You will learn about video editing tools, how to become a good video editor. You will learn about color grading. You will be about organizing and starting a new video project. You will learn basic editing and working in layers. You will learn to arrange clips, leverage masks, and blending techniques, how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to learn about Instagram photography, click on the I button. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Video Editing Basics by Great Learning, free course. This free video editing course is from Great Learning. This course is about the fundamentals and techniques of video editing. Topics covered in this course are basic fundamentals, creating a video in Premiere Pro, types of editing. In this free course you will learn about video making, you will learn about video editing, you will learn different types of editing, you will learn various tips and tricks of video editing, you will learn about video editing software. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. 7th Course Video Editing Course for Beginners YouTube, free course. This 3-hour course is framed to clear the basics of video editing. This course is for beginners. Topics covered in this course are file setup and media management, interface and customization, media import and organization, editing skills, markers and transition, audio, video effects, color, titles and graphics, exporting, troubleshooting tips. You will learn file setup and media management. You will learn about interface and customization. You will learn ways of media import and organization. You will learn editing skills. You will learn audio and video effects, how to create titles and graphics. You will learn more about exporting and troubleshooting tips. To enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.